Drilling through porcelain tile can crack the tile, ruin your bit, or leave you with chipped edges if you rush this process. In this video, I'm showing the method I use to drill clean holes through porcelain tile using a diamond drill bit. So here's the process from start to finish. Mark your hole location and place painter's tape over the spot to help keep the bit from walking. A few extra layers can also add a little bit protection to your tile if the bit slips. Use a diamond tile bit. Standard masonry bits often struggle with porcelain and can damage the tile. Set your drill to a low speed and make sure hammer mode is off. Porcelain should be drilled slowly with light pressure. Start drilling at a slight angle to score the surface and help the bit bite into the glaze. Once it grabs, slowly straighten the drill. Don't force the bit. Let the diamonds grind through the tile instead of pushing hard. More pressure doesn't mean faster drilling. Spray water on the bit while drilling or cool it periodically to help reduce heat buildup. Keeping the bit cool helps preserve the diamond coating and lowers the chance of cracking the tile. Stop occasionally to clean out dust and slurry from the hole. Clearing debris helps the bit cut more efficiently and prevents overheating. Once you break through the porcelain, switch to the proper bit for the material behind the tile rather than continuing with the diamond bit. Porcelain is one of the harder tile materials to drill, but the right technique makes a huge difference. Clean hole, less chance of cracks, and longer life out of your drill bit. So I hope this helps. And if you're into DIY projects, tile work, TV mounting, fireplaces, and home improvement, subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials and tool tips. Have a great day.